Hello guys, I'm back with another video. This time I will demonstrate how we can set up fallback mechanism for UI element using image as fallback feature. You don't have to worry about UI selector being modified in the underlying application. Using image recognition technique, fallback feature will search for UI element on the screen and this way reduce the error in automation. In this video, I will demonstrate fallback technique by taking a simple example. The flow will launch microsoft.com/en-us site and click shop now or play with Game Pass anchor tag to navigate to the next page and finally close the browser. Let me show you the desktop flow. It has three actions. First is to launch Edge browser and open microsoft.com site in maximize state to cover the whole screen. Next action is to left click anchor tag to move to another page. Let me open the UI element in Selector Designer. You can see the anchor tag is shop now, which is invalid and different from the one in the actual site. Final action is to close the browser instance. Let's run the flow to test it. The flow should fail at click link action as there is no anchor with show now text on the screen. Let's go back to the flow to check the run status. It has failed and the reason is flow could not find an anchor tag with shop now text which is expected. Let's fix this error by setting up a fallback feature. Open UI in edit mode. Click image as fallback button on the command bar in Selector Designer window. That select an anchor tag and press Ctrl and left mouse click to capture the UI element image. The fallback image will be saved in for the invalid anchor UI element. Save the action and run the flow to test the fallback feature. Here you go, the flow has opened the Microsoft.com site. It should now find the invalid anchor element using image fallback feature and click to navigate to another page. It works and finally the browser is closed, which is the last action in the flow. So that's it. This way you can use image as fallback feature to improve the efficiency in automation process. Thank you. For more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.